Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. My name is Ahmad Fahmi Adli bin Mazuki. My matric number is S55247. I'm from program Bachelor of Applied Science, Fisheries, and my faculty is a Faculty of Fisheries and Food Science. Okay, for my supervisor for this final year project is thank you to Dr. Niazim bin Ali. Okay, my title is the study of wastewater, electrolyte for energy generation and water quality. Okay, for my introduction, despite significant socio-economy and technology programs, 1/4 of the world populations rely on the traditional fuel such as natural gas, biomass recycle, firewood, coal and animal dung for the domestic use. Okay. Waste to energy is a potential, cost-effective and environmentally sustainable clean energy sources. This will help to maintain wastewater management by providing energy that can be reused, as well as a catalyst for a new sustainable economy, climate and efficient wastewater management for country growth. Therefore, the aim is to create a new energy from wastewater and that can help to control the water quality after the energy output. Okay, for my problem statement, as we know, Malaysia as a developing country with a reputation for burning a lot of fossil fuel, need to think about way to reduce fossil fuel overuse. The second is the output of energy do not affect much for pH or the water quality. And the third is wattage in wastewater don't have enough smoke to fill the power bank. For my significance of study, the advantage that the energy produced can help to support and preserve the continuation of fossil fuel energy with another energy could reveal the study potential yield. The second is the obtain new energy supply, aid the wastewater from fish venture, which was previously unutilized and drained into the environment. Okay, for my objective, first is to study the energy output of different volume of wastewater. The second is to study the pH of wastewater of different volume of wastewater. Okay, for my material and method, first is wastewater collection, second is experiment setup, and the third is data collection for the waters with different volume of wastewater. The fourth is the data collect for the pH. Okay, for the first method, I will collect the wastewater using the bottle plastic 9 liter. The wastewater sample will be taken to the hatchery. The wastewater will store in the bottle. Okay, for the first experiment setup, the wastewater will be filtered using a filter paper, and this experiment will have 3 different type of volume of water. First aquarium will have 500 milliliter, the second is 300 milliliter, and the third is 200 milliliter. And then the electrical output and the pH output measurement, and the method I will use is attach the performance aquarium with the battery and take the measurement of the electric output using the voltmeter. pH reader will be used to measure the pH. Okay, this is my setup, the electrolyte casing, and that will be attached with voltmeter to measure the volt. The figure 6 is the pH reader that we use to check the pH quality, and the figure 7 is the electrolyte attached with the case battery generation of the power bank. Okay, as you can see, this is the result for the wattage for 500 ml. Okay, for the week 1, the result show the 595.8 milliwattage, and it reduced to 355.7 at week 2, and reduced more at the week 3. It is 268.8, and the power bank after charge with wastewater 500 ml is up to 1%. Okay, this is a result for 300 ml. The milliwattage for first week is 398.5, and the second week is 337.9, and the third week is 221.8 milliwattage. The power bank stay at 0% after charge at the 3 week. Okay, for the 200 ml, the first week is 361.5 milliwattage, and the second is 335.3 milliwattage, and the third is 246.8 wattage, and also the power bank stay up at 0% after charging 3 weeks. Okay, as you can see, this is the result for the pH. The pH for the week 1 is 7.29, and week 2 it reduced at 6.68, and the week 3 is it reduced more at the 6.34. Okay, this is the result pH for 300 ml. Okay, this is the result for pH for 200 ml. The discussion. The volume of 500 ml produce more energy than the volume of 300 ml in 200 ml, because the total ions in the higher volume of the water will produce more energy. The second is the output of energy in liquid electrolyte is not consistent of the production. And the third is the pH measurement do not change much for the after the electrolyte. Okay, as the conclusion, the electrical output for the 500 ml of this water give the highest reader is the 595.8 milliwattage, and the 300 ml have not much difference with the 200 ml. And the pH for the 500 ml is 7.26 for the first week, and 6.68 at the second week, and 6.38 at the third week is the more reducing compared to pH for 300 ml and 200 ml. 3 weeks is the day for the experiment run. Thus, it could be concluded the volume of this water give more energy because it have more iron, and the more iron flow will reducing the pH. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for the attention.